How much luggage for a 7-day cruise? Okay, so luggage for a 7-day cruise? Seriously, it's a thing. For 7 days, I could cram everything into a 25-inch rolling suitcase. Easy. One time in June 2022, for a Caribbean cruise, I even managed with a smaller carry-on. But my wife? She'd need a 29-inch. Minimum. And probably still complain she didn't have enough shoe options, lol. She actually packed 2 suitcases on our Alaska cruise back in August 2023. Cost her $25 extra for the second one, but it was worth it for her. Don't forget a carry-on for valuables and stuff you don't want to get squished. You know, like that fancy dress you plan to wear to dinner on deck 7,